Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 2009 to 2024 Ram 1500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Remove the rear wheel and fender liner. Remove the rear shock absorber, coil spring, and coil isolator. Lift the truck bed to create working clearance. Step 3. Cut off the factory coil spring bucket along its base where it is welded. Avoid cutting into the frame rail. If the frame rail needs repair, grind the mounting area to bare metal. Apply weld-through primer and install the required frame repair kit before proceeding. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer if needed. Position the replacement coil spring bucket using the factory silhouette for alignment. Step 5. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the bucket in place. Then fully weld all edges. Step 6. If any additional components were removed to install a frame repair kit, reinstall them now. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Once dry, lower and reinstall the bed. Reinstall the coil isolator, coil spring, and shock absorber, then reinstall the fender liner and wheel.